Dear students, my name is Mujibur Rahman. I am lecturer at Government Boys High School Sutral. My today's topic is rate of reaction. The unit we are discussing is chemical kinetics. Let us see how to determine the rate of this reaction in which the stoichiometric coefficients of both reactants and products are the same. This is a simple case of reaction. For this reaction, rate of reaction is equal to change in concentration of PCl5 divided by change in time. Last time I told you that why the negative sign is used here in the last my lecture, and here the positive sign is used because the concentration of reactants goes on decreasing with the passage of time, while as the concentration of products goes on increasing the passage of time. Hence for this reaction we can say that rate of reaction is equal to rate of disappearance of PCl5 is equal to rate of appearance of PCl3 is equal to rate of appearance of Cl2. Now let us consider the following general reaction in which the stoichiometric coefficients in the balanced chemical equation are not same. For example, twice A gives B. It means that the rate of disappearance of A or reactants is twice the rate of appearance of B. It means if we start with 100 moles and after time 5 minutes, let 10 moles of A are disappearing, 10 moles. It means in the same time only 5 moles of B will appear because it is twice A gives B. It means 2 moles are disappearing but 1 mole is appearing. It means in the same time if 10 moles of this reactant are disappearing, only the 5 moles of B will appear. It means that the rate of disappearance of A is twice the rate of appearance of B. So in order to get the same value for the rate of reaction, we have to divide these by their stoichiometric coefficients. Thus, for such reactions, rate of reaction is 1 by 2 because in this case the stoichiometric coefficient is 2. 1 by 2 into rate of disappearance of A is equal to rate of appearance of B. Or we can also use a general other equation, that is D gives twice E. From this equation it is clear that when 1 mole of D is disappearing, 2 moles of E are appearing. It means the rate of appearance of E is twice the rate of disappearance of D. So for this reaction we can also calculate the rate of reaction is equal to 1 is equal to rate of disappearance of D is equal to 1 by 2 into rate of appearance of E, because in this case we have to make the rate same and hence we have to divide these equations by their stoichiometric coefficients. Thank you.
बस फिट
Just say.